Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your customer data with Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu, which is typically found in the upper right corner. In the Quick Find box, type Data Protection and select it from the drop-down. Review Salesforce's shared responsibility model to understand areas of accountability. Next, go to the Data Security section and click on Field Accessibility. Here, examine the visibility settings for all fields. Then, access the Sharing settings. Set up roles and sharing rules to control data visibility among users. Create different profiles for users based on their data access needs. Ensure that the principle of least privilege is applied to limit access to essential data only. Next, implement two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Go back to the Setup menu and search for Login Access Policies. Review and adjust settings to determine. Set up login history tracking to monitor user access. To protect data at rest, navigate to the Platform Encryption settings. Enable encryption for sensitive fields, ensuring data is secure even if accessed. Utilize Salesforce Shield if necessary, which provides additional security features. Next, customize your data backup strategy. Regularly schedule backups to ensure customer data can be recovered in case of loss. Monitor and manage data retention policies to ensure compliance with regulations. Educate your team on data privacy best practices. Conduct regular training sessions to keep them informed of security measures. Finally, perform periodic audits of your data security practices. Regularly review user permissions and access logs to ensure standards are maintained. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.